The BD702 solar wireless backup camera is designed for easy installation with its magnetic base that attaches to metal surfaces without the need for wiring. This backup camera system provides high-definition clarity with its 1080p resolution and features night vision capabilities for safer driving in low-light conditions. Equipped with a high-capacity rechargeable battery and a solar panel, this camera system ensures extended usage by offering supplemental charging. The compact and portable design of the BD702 allows for versatile use and easy transportation, making it suitable for various vehicle types. With a built-in signal booster, the camera system guarantees a strong and stable signal transmission, even reaching up to 328 feet without obstacles. The BD702 is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable and efficient backup camera system that combines convenience with advanced technology.